Alright, so I got another Star Wars themed PC component here. It's a 500 gigabyte NVMe. It's got that Beskar Ingot, you can't see here, but it's 500 gigabytes, and it's got that special heatsink on it. And yeah, a little bit pricey. It was $55.99, but I mean, ultimately it's PCI Express 4.0, and it's got some pretty good write speeds. I think it advertises up to 7,000. But yeah, ultimately it's going to be put into a build with this piece right here. Nice Imperial logo. But yeah, give me more ideas for any other Star Wars themed components that you think might fit along with it, and I'll throw it all together in a build. All right, thanks guys.